Hello everyone, today we'll see the recipe for Uppu SEEDAI. This is usually done during Krishna Jayanthi. So first we need to prepare the urad dal flour. So you can take 2 or 3 tablespoons of urad dal. I'm taking more. You just need to dry roast it to a golden color, and then you need to grind it to a fine powder. So this powder can be stored in an airtight container and be used for many other dishes, snacks. So these are the ingredients that we need: rice flour, urad dal flour, sesame seeds, salt, shredded coconut, asafoetida, butter. So first you need to mix the rice flour, urad dal flour and sesame seeds. Add the salt and asafoetida. Add the required amount of butter, and also add the coconut shreds and mix everything well. So first make the butter fully melted, and then make it into a crumble, and then you can slowly start adding water little by little. So if you take 1 cup of rice flour, probably you will need about half a cup of water, but don't add the whole thing at one time. So take little by little and then make it into a pliable dough. So this is how now it's coming to a ball. So that's the texture you're looking for. Try to take a small piece and see if you can make a ball out of that. If you can, then go ahead and make balls with the rest of the dough. Make sure the size is not too big. Smaller will give you crispier SEEDAIs. And then deep fry it in oil. You can put a couple at a time, they will separate out, and just let all the bubbles kind of settle down, and then the SEEDAI also becomes golden brown in color, and then you can remove it from heat. So now the Uppu SEEDAI is ready. You can store it in an airtight container and enjoy it for a couple of days. Okay, then I'll see you in the next video with another recipe.